TQDM. TQDM means progress in Arabic, TQDM, and is an abbreviation for I love you so much in Spanish, te quiero demasiado. Instantly make your loops show a smart progress meter. Just wrap any iterable with TQDM, iterable, and you're done. From TQDM, import TQDM. For I in TQDM, range, 10,000. Pass. Range, n, can be also used as a convenient shortcut for TQDM's range, n. From TQDM, import range. For I in range, 10,000, unit scale equals true, desc equals hello, unit equals epoch. Pass. Overhead is low, about 60 ns per iteration, 80 ns with TQDM GUI, and is unit tested against performance regression. By comparison, the well-established progress bar has an 800 ns error overhead. In addition to its low overhead, TQDM uses smart algorithms to predict the remaining time and to skip unnecessary iteration displays, which allows for a negligible overhead in most cases. TQDM works on any platform: Linux, Windows, Mac, FreeBSD, NetBSD, Solaris Sun OS, in any console or in a GUI, and is also friendly with Python Jupyter notebooks. TQDM does not require any dependencies, not even curses, just Python and an environment supporting carriage return RN, line feed and control characters. Usage. TQDM is very versatile and can be used in a number of ways. The three main ones are given below. Iterable-based. Wrap TQDM around any iterable. From TQDM, import TQDM. Import time. Text equals. For char in TQDM, A, B, C, D. Time sleep, 0.25. Text equals text plus char. Range, I, is a special optimized instance of TQDM, range, I. From TQDM, import range. For I in range, 100. Time sleep, 0.01. Instantiation outside of the loop allows for manual control over TQDM. Bar equals TQDM, A, B, C, D. For char in bar. Time sleep, 0.25. Bar set description, processing %s %char. Manual. Manual control on TQDM, updates by using a with statement. With TQDM, total equals 100, as bar. For I in range, 10. Time sleep, 0.1. Bar update, 10. If the optional variable total or an iterable with len is provided, predictive stats are displayed. With is also optional. You can just assign TQDM to a variable. But in this case, don't forget to del or close at the end. Bar equals TQDM, total equals 100. For I in range, 10. Time sleep, 0.1. Bar update, 10. Bar close. Module. Perhaps the most wonderful use of TQDM is in a script or on the command line. Simply inserting TQDM or Python 3M TQDM between pipes will pass through all stint to stout while printing progress to stare. The example below demonstrated counting the number of lines in all Python files in the current directory, with timing information included. Time find name.py type fexec cat wcl. Time find name.py type fexec cat tqdm wcl. Note that the usual arguments for TQDM can also be specified. Examples and advanced usage. See the examples. Folder. Import the module and run help. Consult a wiki. This has an excellent article on how to make a great progress bar, or run this file. Description and additional stats. Custom information can be displayed and updated dynamically on TQDM bars with the desc and postfix arguments. From TQDM import range. From random import random, randint. From time import sleep. With range, 10, as T. For I and T. Description will be displayed on the left. T set description, gen%i%i. Postfix will be displayed on the right. Formatted automatically based on the argument's data type. T set postfix, loss equals random, gen equals randint, 1999, str equals lst equals 1, 2. Sleep, 0.1. With TQDM, total equals 10, bar format equals, postfix, 0, postfix, 1, value, 8.2g. Postfix equals, batch, dict, value equals 0, as T. For I in range, 10. Sleep, 0.1. T postfix, 1, value, equals I2. T update. Points to remember when using postfix in the bar format string. Postfix also needs to be passed as an initial argument in a compatible format, and postfix will be auto-converted to a string if it is a dict-like object. To prevent this behavior, insert an extra item into the dictionary where the key is not a string. Nested progress bars. TQDM supports nested progress bars. Here's an example. For I in range, 10. Sleep, 0.1. T postfix, 1, value, equals I2. T update. Points to remember when using postfix in the bar format string. Postfix also needs to be passed as an initial argument in a compatible format where the key is not a string. Nested progress bars. TQDM supports nested progress bars. Here's an example. From TQDM auto import range. From time import sleep. For I int range 2, desc equals first loop. For j int range 2, desc equals second loop. For k int range 10, desc equals third loop, leave equals false. Sleep 0.05. Pandas integration. Due to popular demand, we've added support for Pandas. Here's an example. For data frame progressively and data frame group by progressively. Import Pandas as PD. Import NumPy as NP. From TQDM import TQDM. df equals PD data frame, NP random randint, 0, 100, 5, 6. Register Pandas progress apply and Pandas series map apply with TQDM. Can use TQDM GUI, TQDM notebook, optional corgs, etc. TQDM Pandas, desc equals my bar. Now you can use progress apply instead of apply. And progress map instead of map. df progress apply, lambda x, x2. Can also group b. df group b, 0 progress apply, lambda x, x2. In case you're interested in how this works, and how to modify it for your own callbacks, see the examples folder or import the module and run help. IPython Jupyter integration. IPython Jupyter is supported via the TQDM notebook submodule. From TQDM import range, TQDM notebook. From time import sleep. For I int range 3, desc equals first loop. For j and TQDM notebook, range 30, desc equals second loop. Sleep 0.01. In addition to TQDM features, the submodule provides a native Jupyter widget, compatible with IPython v1 v4 and Jupyter, fully working nested bars. And color hints, blue, normal, green, completed, red, error interrupt. Light blue, no ETA, as demonstrated below. It is also possible to let TQDM automatically choose between console or notebook versions by using the Auto Notebook submodule. From TQDM Auto Notebook import TQDM. TQDM Pandas. Note that this will issue a TQDM experimental warning if run in a notebook, since it is not meant to be possible to distinguish between Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Console. Use Auto instead of Auto Notebook to suppress this warning. Writing messages. Since TQDM uses a simple printing mechanism to display progress bars, you should not write any message in the terminal using print, while a progress bar is open. To write messages in the terminal without any collision with TQDM bar, display a .write method is provided. From TQDM import TQDM, range. From time import sleep. bar equals range 10. For I in bar. Print using TQDM class method. Write sleep 0.05. If not, I%3. TQDM write done task %I%I. Can also use bar write. By default, this will print the standard output size out. But you can specify any file-like object using the file argument. For example, this can be used to redirect the messages writing to a log file or class.